Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up SafePal account on your mobile device. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we're simply gonna go ahead, open up our SafePal app on our phone. Right away you can see this is how it's gonna appear. Tap on I have read and accepted the terms of use, and I'm going to tap on get started. Now I'm gonna use myself a password. I can choose to simply create me a password or a digital password accordingly. Once I'm done, reconfirm it. Then you're gonna add in the Face ID if you would prefer. Once you're done, tap on this start PayPal journey, and there you go. Your account will be signed up and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.